Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of our product, Trippie. Trippie is a command line app to plan any of your upcoming trips. It is tailored to match the needs of student travelers. Trippie lets you plan multiple trips, do timetabling, and allows users to track their expenses overseas. Trippie is designed for users to enter their input quickly and efficiently. Let's now set up Trippie in your personal computer. First, let's launch our terminal. Then verify that you have Java 11 or above installed in by running java-version. Next, download the latest trippy.jar from the GitHub repository and click on the link as shown in the following. Wait for the download to load, and once finished, let's go back to your terminal. Now let us navigate to the path of trippy.jar. Enter java-jar trippy.jar in your command line tool and press enter. Congrats! You have set up Trippie, and now let's try some awesome features it offers.
Start your Trippie journey by creating a new trip. It will prompt you to enter the name. Here, we will name it United Kingdom with an emoji. But Trippie wouldn't allow this because it prevents invalid trip names with these punctuations. Hence, we can instead remove the emoji and only enter United Kingdom. After that, Trippie prompts us to enter the start date of our trip. Here, we will start ours on the 3rd of November 2023. Right now, the current foreign exchange rate in United Kingdom is 0.56. Then, its currency abbreviation is GBP. Our budget for this trip is 8,000. When you succeed, you will show the following message. Trippie automatically creates our trip and saves it. If you entered the wrong attributes for your trip, you could use the edit trip command. Just select the trip and write down the new values that you would like to change to. Let's assume you only want to update the exchange rate of GBP. You can leave all the other lines blank except the exchange rate, whereby you will set to 0.57. When you succeed, you will see the following message. Now, when you want to remove a trip, you can enter delete trip. You can then select the trip index, and Trippie will prompt you first before deleting the trip permanently, including its files. Then, after you're done managing your trips, you can enter exit.
When you have created multiple trips, you can choose to load one of the trips by entering the load trip command and selecting the trip that you want to load. Now, you might have been overwhelmed by all those commands, but fret not, you do not have to memorize it all. Just type help and Trippie will send a mini guide of how you can use all these fantastic features. So now you're ready to add places into your itinerary, but how do you add them? Well, you can do so by typing in just a single line of command, as shown here with this particular format. You should expect to see this next as your output and to confirm that the place has been added successfully. After adding all the places you want, you would like to see the overview of your trip, right? Well, by entering list/p, it displays your itinerary from day 1 to your final day. But what if you just want to see the itinerary on a specific day, say day 3? You just have to enter list/p/d3 and it will display all the places you've added for day 3. However, do make sure that the day you enter is within the number of days you have planned so far.
Now let's say you've added a whole 15 days of trip around Europe. You're wondering which day is planned for a specific place? This is where the search function comes in. You can easily search using keywords like search football to find out on which day did you plan activities that's related to football. If there are any matches, it will be shown similar to this. As you can see above, here is our search results. And if there ain't any matches, in this case we are searching Singapore, it will be shown like this instead. So let's say the weather forecast says there will be a 90% chance of a storm when you plan to watch a game at a football stadium and thinking of removing that place from itinerary. To do so, all you have to do is enter delete/p, index of the place to be deleted, in this case 7, and if successfully deleted, this message will be shown. You can also check again using the list/p command. In this case now, I'm trying to remove enjoy the scenery along Manchester Park. Take note that it is the 5th index, and so I use delete/p5 to remove that place. Now I'm pretty sure everybody goes on vacation with some budget, right? What Trippie can do is to help you save a budget to alert you if you're close to overspending. Or Trippie should have prompted you to enter a budget when you create a new trip should you feel the urge to change your budget. You can do so easily, just by entering budget and the amount to change to, as shown in the example here. I'm trying to change the budget to 10,000.
Oh, now you are at your favorite city, Manchester, and you are looking to buy some food and tickets to the football game, but you are afraid to exceed your budget. No worries, Trippie got you covered. Just make sure you enter all your spending in Trippie itself using this set of commands. Buy /n, item name, /d, day spent, /c, item cost. Now, you should be good to go. Just keep a lookout for this message to ensure that your spending has been successfully recorded. Now, you are at Manchester Gin, the best store to explore the finest gin in the world. You look at the price tag and it costs £40, and you wonder how much it costs in Sing dollars. With Trippie, you can easily convert the currency to Sing dollars by convert /to SGD 40. What's up? It's 71.54, $10 cheaper than the store in Singapore. How about this other bottle that you remember you purchased at around 50 SGD back in Singapore? How much is it in pounds? Just run convert /to FOR 50, and now you know. How convenient and easy is it? After a long day exploring Manchester, you're back at your hotel, keen to see how much you spent so far and compare it to your budget. You can easily check it out using the command list/e, which displays all your spending so far and even compares with your budget to give you some advice on your spending. Just make sure to follow the advice and try not to overspend. Getting a refund for something you have already bought and recorded in the app? Fret not, you can easily refund through Trippie as well, just by entering delete/e index, and you will have a full refund in Trippie as well. And you will have more to spend for the remaining days. If you are ever unsure of the index, do use list/e to acquire the index similarly to how we did it in list/p.
So after we have done editing and creating our trip, you can exit Trippie by simply typing exit. Do not worry about saving your files. Trippie automatically stores it inside your local storage. Next time when you load Trippie again, it will detect those files automatically and load your most recently edited trip. No more issues with having to save it every now and then. Trippie handles multiple trips easily, and in this case, your current trip is set to Manchester. But let's say you want to edit your Hong Kong trip. What you need to do is enter load trip and select your Hong Kong trip. Then start managing your Hong Kong trip. Likewise, you can edit your Tokyo trip using the same method. Efficient planning, easy traveling, there you go with Trippie.